health-related information on the following show provides general information only. Content presented on any show by any host or guest should not be substituted for a doctor's advice. Always consult your physician before beginning any new diet, exercise, or treatment program.
You did everything right. You took the shot. You watched the number on the scale drop, and now you look in the mirror and you barely recognize your own arms. Doctors have started calling it Ozempic feet, swollen, aged-looking feet showing up in people who've lost weight fast on the GLPs. But for a lot of people, feet are just the part you can see. The same quiet breakdown is happening in the muscle you can't see, your heart, your diaphragm, every mitochondria in your body. Not everyone on these drugs lose significant muscle. And I'm not saying that it's the drug that is causing the muscle loss directly, but research shows that on GLP-1, the weight loss consistently shows a meaningful share of the weight loss is that lean tissue, not fat. And that share climbs fast if you're not eating enough protein or strength training through it. You're not imagining the cold that never goes away, the exhaustion that makes stairs feel like a mountain, or the scale finally moving while you feel weaker, older, and more drained every week. Here's the part almost no one explains. When your body loses muscle this fast, it can also start quietly dialing back your thyroid, which is why the fatigue doesn't always show up on standard blood work. So today I'm breaking down what's actually happening to your muscle and your thyroid on a GLP drug, who's most at risk, and the ingredient level stack that helps support rebuilding both. Welcome to Accelerated Health with Sara Banta, the podcast that gets straight to what works. I'm Sara, certified nutritionist, founder of Accelerated Health Products. Here I cut through the noise, bringing you the real strategies, powerful supplements, natural solutions that help you detox, boost energy, and balance your body for optimal health. So I want to start out by saying I am not anti-GLP. There's a right way to do it. I am not saying GLPs directly cause muscle loss, but most people do lose a lot of muscle when they are on a GLP because they are not doing it right. So what's actually happening? These GLPs, like Ozempic, work by crushing your appetite fast. That sounds great on the scale, but your body doesn't know the difference between on a diet and starving. And remember, this is at an accelerated rate, not just like when you've done a diet before, because I know all of you have tried to diet before. When calories drop that hard, that fast, your body treats it like a crisis, and it doesn't lose weight evenly. Two systems tend to take the earliest hit, your muscle and your thyroid. This isn't true for every single person on these drugs. The degree depends on how fast the weight comes off, how much protein you're eating, whether you're strength training through it, but the pattern shows up often enough that I thought this needed attention. So the muscle breakdown. Your body needs fuel, and if it's not coming in from food, it pulls from your body, from your muscle or your fat, depending on what you're doing to support the muscle. Skeletal muscle, including the small stabilizing muscles in your feet, can get broken down for fuel. That's part of what's behind this Ozempic feet. It's not only your feet. The same process can help affect your heart muscle, your diaphragm, the muscles you breathe with. Losing muscle means losing mitochondria, the teeny little engines inside your cells that make energy. Less muscle, less mitochondria, less metabolism. The people who lose the least muscle tend to be the ones eating enough protein, at least 1 gram per pound of body weight, still lifting weights, resistance training through this weight loss. This isn't inevitable, but it does take deliberate effort to prevent it. And the thyroid. So here's the part almost no one's talking about. Sudden, severe caloric restriction, whether it's on a GLP or just dieting, this is triggering something called non-thyroidal illness syndrome. Sometimes it's called euthyroid sick syndrome. Your body senses starvation. And in starvation, it deliberately slows down your metabolism. Am I going to hit a famine? I don't know. I better save every morsel of food that comes in my body. Better pack on the fat so I can, survive through winter. it reduces how much of the T4 gets converted into that free T3, the active, fat-burning thyroid hormones that your cells actually use. T4 instead gets converted into reverse T3, the brakes on your metabolism. And here's the tricky part. Your TSH and T4 can come back looking normal on your standard blood work. So your doctor tells you you're fine, but your cells still may be running short on active thyroid hormone. So if you're feeling cold, brain fog, exhausted, but your doctor's saying your labs are normal, they're not. Go find a new doctor. Take your body temperature in the morning. If it's not 98 degrees or above, you're suboptimal thyroid. This effect tends to be more pronounced the faster and more severe the caloric deficit is, and it's not automatic for everyone, but it's common enough that it's worth checking for, especially if your symptoms don't match your labs. So why is the weight coming back? Research on the GLP drugs have found a large share of users regain much of the weight after stopping 4 times faster than if they were just doing it with diet alone. The drug doesn't fix your metabolism, and you got on the drug in the first place because your metabolism needed fixing. What it does is it suppresses your appetite while you're on it. So if you lose muscle and your thyroid conversion slows down even more than it was before you started the GLP, your body is now running a slower engine than before you started. Add in the behavioral side. Many people also cut back on the protein because they just feel nauseous eating it, and movement, while the appetite suppression is the strongest, and the rebound risk compounds. The moment the drug stops, the slower running body starts storing again more easily. And this isn't just about willpower. It's about whether the foundation, the muscle, and the thyroid function got rebuilt while the weight was coming off. So what do you do if you're in this position and you need to rebuild your body? So we're going to go through the stack of supplements that will help build that muscle back up, help your metabolism get rebooted so that when you get off the drug, you actually can maintain the weight loss that you've achieved. So number 1, acceleradine iodine, foundation first. Your thyroid is a hormone factory, and iodine is the raw material. It is the 4 and 3 and T4 and T3. Okay, so without adequate iodine, you can't have thyroid hormones. And acceleradine iodine is in monoatomic form. It is the most easily absorbed bioavailable form of iodine. And it's paired with organic 200 proof alcohol. Why is that important? Anything less is going to introduce other toxins into your body or have a slower delivery system. It's also enhanced with scalar frequencies to help detox all of the things that are blocking the iodine from getting into the iodine receptor sites. So what you'll notice, brain fog lifts, more energy, better fat loss, fat oxidation. It cleans the body of the foreign pathogens that actually might be suppressing your immune system and making weight loss even more difficult. Paired with that is the accelerated thyroid. This is a 3-in-1 formula built to support the exact conversion step that can slow down under rapid caloric restriction. If you're on Levo or Synthroid and it's not working or you're feeling worse, the accelerated thyroid might be a better alternative for you, with the guidance of your doctor, of course. It has an herb called Conchinara Google in it. It's an Ayurvedic herb that I had been taking for years before accelerated thyroid came along. It helps with thyroid nodules, water retention, and supporting the thyroid tissue. Then, of course, freeze-dried thyroid glandular that supplies the enzymes, the precursor nutrients that support the thyroid making its own hormones. And it's from grass-fed New Zealand thyroid glandular, the best source. We add in the L-tyrosine. So tyrosine is the T in T3 and T4. It's the amino acid that combines with the iodine to build those hormones in the first place. L-threonine supports that healthy liver function, and it's your liver that helps convert the T4 to T3. So you will feel better mood, more energy, better weight loss, and you're not going to feel stuck when you're doing everything right. The next one is so important for those of you on GLPs, accelerated aminos. I've seen it. I've seen loved ones sit at the dinner table and they cannot eat a beautiful piece of steak because they're nauseous. Protein does not sound good, but you've got to get that protein in. And the accelerated aminos can help supplement your protein intake. So it goes directly after that muscle breakdown that can come with a rapid weight loss. All 9 essential amino acids absorbed quicker than any other essential amino acid supplement, but we add in HMB that is studied for helping muscle protection. So preventing the catabolism that happens with protein breakdown. It will make it so that after you work out, you are not breaking down that muscle to have to rebuild. You can rebuild on what you built today. Then we add in Synactive. This is supporting that anti-aging, cleaning out the zombie cells, cleaning out all of the junk so that you can generate fresh, new, healthy cells. It truly is anti-aging. OKG, this supports reduced muscle breakdown and recovery by limiting the fatigue-driving ammonia buildup during stress. This supplement is a game changer. Every dose is the equivalent of 30 grams of protein. So you're a 150-pound person, you need 150 grams of protein. That can be a lot. Taking 1 or 2 doses or even 3 doses of accelerated aminos, you have 30, 60, or 90 protein grams taken care of. Next, accelerated methylene blue. So this targets the mitochondria that can be lost right along with the muscle. It is helping act as an electron donor inside the mitochondria and supports more efficient cellular energy. What does that mean? Better mood, more energy. So you actually want to go to the gym while you're on a GLP. You're going to feel better focus, memory, even helps with Alzheimer's, dementia, all of that stuff too. Upregulating mitochondrial health is anti-aging in general. Next is accelerated fast. So this is supporting fasting or caloric deficit window, but it's not a drug-forced starvation state. This supplement is amazing for getting you off the GLP, but still suppressing appetite and upregulating your immune system, your ATP production, and your energy all at the same time. So all of the ingredients in there, HMB, L-threonine, kelp for the minerals, is supporting muscle protection, appetite suppression, helping with the liver, helping your body learn to burn its own fat, turning its own body fat into ketones. You don't have to be on a ketogenic diet. Really important to know. If you're on a GLP, or you've been on one and you're still dealing with the cold hands and feet, exhaustion, brain fog, stalled scale, muscle that keeps disappearing, the Ozempic feet, the Ozempic face, the Ozempic butt, don't just ask, how much more weight can I lose? Ask what's happening to your thyroid and your muscle while you lose it. Not everyone on these drugs will be hit with this, but if that sounds like you, it's worth checking, not ignoring. The number on the scale is not the same thing as a healthy metabolism. And that scale, swap it out for a body scale, a body composition scale. I love the Hume Body Pod. I'll put the link below. It measures your muscle, your water, your intracellular water versus extracellular water versus fat in your right arm versus your left arm versus your gut versus your legs. It tells you exactly what is going on in the body. Thanks for tuning in. Before you leave, let me know what sparked a question in you and did something I say hit home. Leave a comment below. And if you haven't joined the free group coaching on Telegram, do so today. It's a place where I answer your questions every day of the week. And all of my articles, coaching, supplements we talked about, you can go to acceleratedhealthproducts.com. Use coupon code podcast10 on your first order. Most of you haven't subscribed, but you'll listen every week. Click the button below so you're notified when every new podcast is released. I'm here 4 days a week, so join me next time for more ways to unlock your health potential.